Welcome to Fort St. James National Historic Site, right here on the edge of Stewart Lake. We were the center of the hub of the fur trade here at the fort, and we were the capital of all New Caledonia at one time. The transportation routes led directly into here to distribute goods throughout what we call BC. In 1806, Simon Fraser and John Stewart came here with a company of men, and they established the fort. It was the Northwest Company that came here first, competitors to the Hudson's Bay Company. Then in 1821, the Hudson's Bay Company bought out all the Northwest Company, and this became a Hudson's Bay Company site, and the British flag went up. The trade store was where the negotiations went on in the trades, swapping furs for goods. The guest house was for those who were traveling hundreds of miles coming to trade their furs here. They could stay here for days. These were key buildings and key locations to the history of this area. We're here on the porch of a building that's 135 years of age, where A.C. Murray and his wife lived. A.C. Murray was part of the fur trade for decades and rose to the high position of officer. At the officer's house, you can stay for a bed and breakfast on the edge of beautiful Stewart Lake.